Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse and I am here with a new collection. This is also part of a video hop. Yay! This is the Game Day collection. This is a collaboration between Justine D and Spellbinders. Justine, I just don't know how to say your last name, so I'm just going to call you Justine D. Below, you'll see the information for the hop to see all the goodies about this amazing Game Day collection. This one is calling all sports fans. If you play in sports, anything related to you wearing a jersey and just going out there and having fun. Alrighty, crafters, let's get started. This is a small release with 3 dies, 1 stamp set, and 1 embossing folder. And this is a 2-dimensional embossing folder, still oversized, but boy, does this release pack a punch, especially if you are in need of masculine cards, any cards related to sports, you are doing scrapbooking and mini album making and journaling with sports. This little shirt right here has a great sizing. 4 inches tall by 2.5, and then going out with the sleeve, you're looking at almost 3 inches wide, okay? So this takes up a nice amount of real estate. First, we have athletic apparel dies. Love, love, love. Why I love this so much. I do have a couple of dies that are shirts like this, but they are just t-shirts or a dress shirt. This one gives you beyond sports, because you can turn it into a polo. Now you're looking at Father's Day cards with no stress, because you can have your polo shirt right here. Love that. So you get the shirt base, you get that back for the neck. This is like a button down in the middle for like a baseball jersey. Here is the sides to put colors here on the arm. I did that for my Miami Dolphins jersey. This is part of the polo, so is that, and so is this. Here are sleeves. There is a different kind of neck. I use that one for football. This is to decorate those sleeves. Athletic apparel dies. Over the top winner. Love this, Justine. 2 thumbs up. Next, if you want to decorate your jersey even more, we have jersey numbers. Your child is in a sport. You want to make a shirt for your favorite athlete. Here's the numbers. Love it. You get the number and then you get 0 to 9. Love it, and it does come with the outline. 1 1/8 of an inch by a little bit over 1/2 inch or 1/2 inch. Next, sporting goods. This is another one. Winner. Love this. This is just all your field sports. Soccer, basketball, golf, with the little T too for the golf. Tennis ball, racket, another style of racket. This is the only one I'm like, what is this? But anyway, comes with the outline to decorate the racket in different colors. All the handles here, that's your handle piece. This part I was using for the bowling pin. I love this. Great idea, Justine. This is a perfect match to all of these. So you can have that back layer to then piece in back pieces that pop out, because these all have cut lines. Volleyball, bowling, football, front and back. And then this piece for the tennis. You can use this one for the tennis ball. Hockey stick with the puck. This one, like I said, I use it to decorate up here. So some of these will give you more than one opportunity to decorate and customize your sporting equipment. 23-piece die set. Love, 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 love this one. Next, all-star sentiment stamps. You have bold sentiments, all-star, birthday, winner, captain. You can stamp these onto the shirts. And then here are some sentiments to include with it too. You're a great catch. Have a ball on your birthday. Let's kick off your birthday. I believe in you. You've got game. I'm your biggest fan. So if your child is into any kind of sports, this whole collection is for you, actually. If your husband is into this Sunday night football, basketball, all this, you can customize so many different styles of shirts. Just play within this. This is a whole lot of sporting play. Lastly, this 2D embossing folder. Sports talk. Just so cute. Let me show you my first example. This one is the Miami Dolphins. I just had so much fun with this. This one I did as a jersey. There's a football. Use those 2 pieces. When this cuts out, all these pieces pop out, and then I just pop them back in white. There is the embossing folder. Isn't the embossing folder just fabulous? Miami Dolphins is turquoise and orange. So I did my turquoise and orange jersey, pulled out the number dies as well. Here is the base of the jersey. That is for the colors that pop here. If you want it, you don't have to have it. This is this part. And then the neckline, 27. There is the numbers. You get that lovely shadow. I popped this off of that. Down here, I did use something different for the sentiment. I did glimmer. Hooray, it's your birthday. I used this set, sentiments for every day, and cut it out with one of my favorite label dies, sentiment labels. And I use this one right there. And then I also use some Spellbinders enamel dots. I tell you, these enamel dots, they're fabulous. But look how clean this card is. So this is a clean, simple card, to the point, and definitely a masculine card for a sports fan. Whichever team, just change up the colors and you're done. This embossing folder really does offer that collegiate font. So love it for the background, and I love the bright white. For the Miami soccer fan, there's a new soccer team in Miami, the Inter Miami soccer team. They wear pink. So I love this. I did the pink polo. Football. See how the polo? Now, can you just change up the colors and turn this into a golf shirt, Father's Day, etc. Here I did the number 1. I did black cardstock with black glossy cardstock because the jersey, and I'll show you a picture here, is pink with black. The embossing folder in the background, that one is the 2D embossing folder of the month from last month, Arches and Dots. I tell you, this is a great embossing folder for masculine cards. I have a gray background, Spellbinders fog cardstock with that embossing folder. This is a die that I just hauled just for this collection at Spellbinders. It has forever been on sale for $6.50. This is called You're a Winner. I've had this thing in my cart for so long because my daughter does play sports. She does swimming, but she has also done volleyball, bowling. So the next card, the last card I'm going to show you, is her bowling card. I had her in mind. Trophy is 3 1/4 inch tall by 2 5/8 of an inch wide. This is a thick die. So to run this through your Platinum 6 or your wide opening die cut machine, you would only use the cutting plates, one on the bottom, one on the top, and run it through. No platforms like this, etc. None of that, okay? Because this is a thick die. This can cut chipboard as well. I cut it and layered it up a few times with Spellbinders Brush Gold cardstock. There's a soccer ball. Right here, I just took a little die from my stash. I believe it's the open house die. A little greenery there. So cute. Here I stamped Goal Getter, again coming back into Sentiment Labels die. I like this Sentiment Labels die set with all this. I think it works well. And the sentiments do fit in here if you want to get this kind of style. You can stamp up here and then cut it out. And there is another enamel dot for that dot detail, or put a string through it if you wish. I think it's so cute. These are a little bit oversized. Last example. Love this one. No jersey, just a bowling card for a bowling party. And my daughter has been invited to many of those. So this is a great little card idea if you want to think about it beyond just always having to be basketball, football, etc. If you're invited to a party or making party invitations, you're in a bowling league, here you go. Cut this out 10 times. Stack them as pins in the bowling lane. Then there is Gina's bowling ball. Yes, my daughter has a hot pink bowling ball. She has hot pink bowling shoes. She has a hot pink bowling bag, okay? So she would understand this in 2 seconds. She loves bowling. In the background here, I went through my whole Spellbinder stash of embossing folders, and this embossing folder is a really good one as well for these sports. This might or might not be in the store. It comes and goes. Radiant Burst, because I think it's just a fantastic embossing folder. This one gives a lot of motion, and here it is with the bowling pins. It's like birthday, yay! I love that. I did a white background, took some pink Distress Oxide. I did a little bit of light blending, did some splatter, black and pink splatter. Here I have a pink rim on each one of these bowling pins. Created a little mask and did it like in this triangular shape with the splatter and the ink blending. On the top here, I laid out all the pins. These are all popped off the base. Because it was white on white, I came in with some Copic markers in cool gray. Those are Copic C markers just around the edge here, just to give a little bit of contrast from here to here. It was looking like this is white and that's white, even with the blending. Finished it off with some pink gems, and this birthday layered mix and match sentiments. This was a small die of the month from September of 2021. That birthday fit perfectly here with the 4 pins, and I layered it up. I did pink on the bottom. The pink I'm using here is the Concorda 9th Dragon Fruit cardstock. There is dragon fruit, black glossy cardstock, white glossy cardstock, and then layered up. So you can see there is range and fun in this game day collection. If you would like, I'm going to put links below for every single thing I just showed you. If you want to get this, I think it's a great addition, and the price point on clearance until it's sold out. I finally got it. I had it there for the longest time. I'm like, I need to get this trophy die set, 2-piece die set too. But isn't this amazing? So you get the masculine, feminine, such a exciting collection. Great job, Justine. I'm going to do a quick little tutorial on how to put together just a jersey without sleeves. I was thinking like a gym top. So I'm going to speed up the video here so you can just see real quick how to put it together. There's the deep V-neck. Okay, crafters, there you go. That's the jersey. Now let me show you with the embossing folder. I'm going to spritz it first. This is white thick cardstock. Here's my Spellbinders Platinum 6. It's a 2D embossing folder. All you're going to need is 1 cutting plate, platform base, platform top. This is a universal plate system, okay? I'm going to spritz it with water. Here we go. Line it up in here. Because of the print, you want to line it up so it's straight, okay? I'm using the top edge of the cardstock with the top edge of the font as my guide. All right, now I'm going to run it through. Look how pretty that is. Then I can pop my shirt up, put something here. So fun. This is just a fantastic release. I'm going to make another card. You'll see it in one of my card shares. In summary, plenty of opportunity to stretch beyond just a game day. Get creative with it. So this is just out the gate. Love this whole collection. So fun. And then look at that trophy. Okay, crafters, don't forget to continue looking at everyone's examples in this awesome video hop. Until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Check out the Game Day collection. Bye.